Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to log into ChatGPT using Google account. To start this tutorial, open and locate your internet browser. Once you are in your internet browser, go immediately to google.com. Just tap on Google once you find it, and if not, type in google.com. Once you are here, we are going to be using the search bar from google.com. And then in here, we are going to search for ChatGPT login page. All you have to do is type it in. Once you are here, click on the first link that says chat.openai.com. Once you are here, you will now be in ChatGPT. All you have to do this time is log in. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading after you click login button. Over here, you can continue with Google or with a Microsoft account, depending on your preference. Once you tap Google, you will now choose which Google account will you log in over here at ChatGPT. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading. Once you are here, you will see that you're already inside ChatGPT using your very own Google account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.